We're told there are 18 students in a school choir. They need to stand in 3 equal rows for their performance. How many students will there be in each row? Pause this video and try to do this yourself before we do this together. All right, now let's do this together. What I'm going to do is first I'm going to set up the rows, and then I'm going to one by one put these 18 students into the rows and see how many end up in each row. So let me make 3 lines here for the 3 rows. So there and there. So this is row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3. And I'm just going to use a circle to represent each of the students in the choir. So I'm going to put the first student in row 1, the second student in row 2, the third student in row 3. And so I'm just going to keep doing that, doing one at a time into each row. So 1, 2, 3, I'm going to count all the way to 18. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. All right, it looks like I got the exact same number of circles or students in each of these 3 rows. How many are there? It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in each of these rows. There's 6 here, 6 here, and 6 here. And that makes sense because if I add 6 plus 6 plus 6, I get to 18. If I say 6 times 3, that's 18. Or if I say I have 18 students and I want to divide them into 3 equal rows, that is going to be equal to 6.